Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kya. Cooking with Kya. Cooking with Kya. Cooking with Kya. That's it.
Okay.
Wait, why you turn around?
I'm not turning around.
Alright.
Come on real quick. How my sky top look?
You got a fork?
We got one. This asparagus already good. Solid. I like this asparagus already good.
It's alright?
I like that.
Okay. So on for the mashed potatoes.
I did that, huh?
Let's try it with the steak.